Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday, I did analysis on EURJPY, right? We talked about having a bearish move for today at first to come and take out this level here. I talked about it. You can go back to watch it again. So I told you that if price can actually drop to this low level, around a level of 137, which I talked about. So actually price, got to a level of 137.932. So I was actually expecting it to actually hit a level of 137 points, maybe 600, but price was actually close to it anyway. So now price has actually dropped to that level we talked about. Now let's see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is for the 20. We would have to go to the daily time frame. So let's start with the full trend. By the way, Euro JPY, the full trend on Euro JPY is a bearish move drop. So I still strongly believe that there will be a more drop on Euro JPY because we can take a look at this JPY. So JPY is still a bullish move. Then we will still expect more uptrend move on JPY, by the way. So by the time JPY is giving us that uptrend move, then definitely expect Euro to JPY give us that drop. So watch out for this level to be taken out, which is a level of 132. In the long run, let's see if we will take out this level in 3 weeks time. You can see it here. So to predict this price for the next day, you start with here. You can see this price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, right? Still a bearish move, by the way. So now let's go to the forward time frame. So price has tapped this level, a rejection was made. Price came to the same level, a rejection was made up. Now price has not jumped to the same level. So let's see this Euro JPY actually push up again. Let's watch out for a level of 140. Currently we are trading at 139. So let's watch out for this level. This is what I'll be watching out for, which is a level. Let me watch out for this, which is a level of 140 points. Let's say 140.100, right? So let's watch out for a level of 140.100 for the next day on EURJPY. So what we will be expecting on EURJPY is to give us a bullish move or close to that level. If it does not hit a level of 140 points, 100, at least it should be close to that level. Maybe then a price will give us a pullback and again maybe push up before we kind of get that final drop on EURJPY. First, there is a level of 140.100 we should get to or close to that level. It is not a must hit actually it's level of 140.100, but we should be close to that level of 140, by the way.